How to change your Gmail password. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can basically change your Gmail account password, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to change your Gmail account password, all you have to do is first of all go ahead and just launch your Gmail application here. Once you launch the Gmail app, tap the profile icon from the top right and then just go to Google account option. When you go to Google account, you can see this is your Google account. Now changing your Gmail means changing your Google account password. So from here, what I want you to do is I want you to simply go to the security tab, as you can see. Once you come to the security tab, if you scroll down over here, you should be able to find password. You can just tap the password option here. First of all, just make sure to enter your current password. Once you've done that, you'll be taken to the page where you can simply choose a new password and your password will get successfully changed. Now this is only to change it and not recover it. If you'd like to recover it, we've also made another video for that. You can simply search them up in our channel. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.